Alright, now in this video I'm going to show you how to draw oblique cabinet and cavalier drawings. We're going to start with this first one from your worksheet, and I'm going to draw it in cabinet first, and then I'm going to draw it in cavalier. So remember, cabinet is half the depth. Alright, so each block on here is 0.25, but just to kind of show it a little bit bigger so that you understand, I'm going to make each one of these blocks worth 2 of these. All right, just so that you can see it a little bit better. So I'm going to draw the front of it first. All right, so 2, 4, 6, all right, because it was 3 down. Okay, and then notice it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, so I'm going to draw it 10. And 3 over here, so that would be 6. 2 down is 4. And then over and down. So just like in the ISO, I drew the front first. Right, but this one is just an actual front view with a 90-degree angle here. Right, now I need to draw those depths. Right, so notice this one here is 3. I'm doing the cabinet first. So instead of 6 back, I'm going to just draw 3 back because I'm halving that depth. Right. This corner here has 3 back. Right. This corner here has 2 back. Right. This one has 2 back. And this one right here also has 2 back. All right, I can go ahead and finish off this part. The next thing I'm going to do is draw the next face back. That's this one. Right, so it is 1 up, so I've made each one worth 2, so I go 2 up. 1, 2, 3, so that's 6 over. 2, 4, 6. Because remember, even whenever I'm halving the depth, I'm still making the front view the full amount. All right, go down to 4. Right, and finish it off. Each corner again, I'm going to go back the half of the depth. So on this corner here, it goes back 1. So that would have been 2, but I'm halving it. So I'm going to go back 1 instead. This corner here goes back 1, and this one goes back 1. Now I can just kind of finish off those edges. Okay, and then to shade, to do my tonal shade, I'm going to use a pencil since the other one is so dark. And maybe I'll do this one with some diagonals. And obviously yours need to look a little bit better, but I don't think that you really want me to take the time and do it really slow whenever you're trying to watch this. So I'm just kind of hurrying along because of that. Okay, and then I'll pick one other and I'll just go up and down on those. But obviously, like I said, you need to make yours a little bit better than mine. All right, so I picked all of the ones going this direction, made those with the hash marks, and these I just made parallel lines, all facing that direction. All right, so how would this look if I made this particular one with a cabinet view? Okay, so actually I'm going to start it over here. Again, the front is going to be drawn the exact same way. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm doing the cavalier view. I'm not halving anything. So the front part is all going to be drawn the exact same. Because because we changed the depth does not change this in any way. Okay, so I draw the front to be identical to the other one. Right, now my depth is going to change though. Notice here I go back 3. Each block is worth 2, so I'm going to go back 6. That's 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. These go back 2 blocks, so it's 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and 2, 4. Finish those off. Okay, now I'm going to draw the next layer, okay, the next face back. So again, that's still going to be the same. All right, it's just one tall, so it's going to be drawn identical to this one. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, so that'd be 6, 2, 6. 1 on this one, so that's 2. Whoops, that actually should not have been there. Obviously you would white that one out. I shouldn't have drawn that one there. Then on here, I'm going to go back 2 because each block is, I'm using it as 2 blocks. So 2, 2, and 2. I'm going to go ahead and finish them all off here. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and shade it, do the tonal shades the exact same way I did with the other one. And again, yours is going to look a little bit neater than mine, but just in interest of time, you don't really want to watch me draw this nice and neat. So. Okay. So if you look at these side by side, this one here is a cabinet. This is a cavalier. All right, so you see why they've changed it to where you do half the depth. Okay, so in the next one, I'm going to do number 2, and then I'll have a third one where I'll do the one that has measurements instead.